Okay, now with the cheek, we'll go to the Paint Skin Weights tool, select that influence, and here we'll make sure that we uncheck the left cheek and also the head. So left cheek is unchecked. We can select that influence, and from here I'll probably just do a add 0.5 value, and so just up my brush, here, put it all the way. Actually, we could just do a 1. Just add the 1 here, and then here I'm actually just going to do a smooth. So just flood that area there. Actually, although I just want to go with 0.1 flood, and then just flood out from there. So now when I select that cheek, alright, I'm getting some weirdness on the mouth. Alright, so with that cheek selected, we're actually going to select, okay, so Paint Skin Weights tool, and so with the head unchecked, and then we want to uncheck all anything that has to do with the lips. So anything concerning the lips and the cheeks. So left corner lip, all these. Left eyelid, we want the left top lip to uncheck. And then we want, let's see, right top lip unchecked. Top lip unchecked. So top lip, right top lip, right eyeball we can lock because we're not using that. Or we're not. We want to keep that locked up. So just looking through here, left cheek. Do I have right cheek? Okay, right cheek is unchecked. Okay, so with all these selected, so I want to select everything that has to do so left cheek, left top lip, right cheek, and right top lip, and top lip. So I want all those actually selected. Okay, and we're going to push all this to the head. So with that, we will go to a replace 100% or 1 on opacity and 0 on value and flood. Okay, so that should push everything to the head, which it did not. Okay, so I just want to double check. So I'm going to look for left cheek. So I want to actually flood that with a 0. And I'm going to look through all these. So flood with a 0. And jaw, I want flood to a 0. Okay, so looks like what I have to do here is do a lock inverse selection on everything, uncheck the head, do a flood, and then the left corner lip, flood. So we're shooting this all to the head, so it's one or the other. So we can flood that to the head, and flood that to the head. Let's look at those. So flood this to the head, So that looks right. And this guy we want to flood to the head. And right lower lip, we want to unflood that. And then we'll lock this guy and move down. So left cheek should be flooded, so we'll unlock him and flood that, and then lock. And then we'll move down the line here to left top lip. Left cheek is locked. We want to unlock this, flood a 0 to that, lock it, and then go to right cheek, unlock, and flood this, and then lock, and right top lip, unlock, flood, lock, and then top lip we want to unlock, flood, lock. So now we shouldn't have any values on any of these influences to the lips. They all should be going straight to the head, which it looks like we have 100% values going to all those areas, which is what I want. And so what I want to do is go select that cheek and unlock, and then I can add a 100% value right to that vert there, and then select smooth and say 0.1 and just hit flood maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. And then now if we go hit Q and select that, just get, why am I getting that assignment going up onto the eyelid, which I don't want at all. So let's see what we have going on here. Just make sure. So left cheek, replace, and we will actually flood all this. We don't want to flood that 100%, we want to flood it with 0. So nothing is on the left cheek. And the head should all be at 100%. Okay, so I'm just checking to see here. So select this influence and unlock this. And so I'm going to be pulling from the head. Okay, so I'll add 0.1 value and softness. So I'm just going to paint this in right here. So instead of smoothing that out, I'm just going to paint this in. And then just take a quick look and see the softness of the cheek. It's kind of pliable. That's fine. That should work. Okay, so then what I want to do is go to my paint weights tool, and so with this one selected, I'm going to reveal selected, and so head is unchecked, left cheek is unchecked, and then go to select this influence, unlock that, and make sure I'm on my 0 frame, and then just do a mirror. And that should push that over to the right. And it did. All right. Looking good.